Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily clean up a pair of sneakers, such as this pair of Coach sneakers, which are all grimy, disgusting around the white rubber parts. There's nothing that seemed to really work until I found this secret. I tried dish soap, I tried brushes, I tried kitchen sponges, scrubbers. Nothing is taking this yucky stuff off. So here's my secret. Ta-da! This is a magic eraser, and actually, to be honest, this is not even the real magic eraser. This is like a knockoff, no-name Canadian superstore brand magic eraser. Look at what this does. So let's find one of the yuckiest parts, like this one here. Look how dirty it is. So this is pre-moistened with just plain water, and make sure that it's dry enough so that when you squeeze it, it doesn't drip. But look what happens. All you need is a little bit of patience. And look at how it starts coming clean. So that's already like day and night here, and you see how it transfers the mess on to the sponge. So this may take you a few sponges because it does, depending on the texture of your shoes, it kind of does eat it through. Like this one has some texture underneath it. But look how much better this is compared to like it was something like this before. So much more presentable, and you don't have to actually feel embarrassed wearing them out. Same at the back here. Use the corners to get into those little crevices. And just keep going. Just get some patience because you're gonna need it. But magic erasers, they seriously are so amazing. Same also works if you have any sort of light colored purses. Like I used to have this beige, like creamy colored leather purse, and the only thing that would kind of clean up those corners was a magic eraser. So this stuff is pretty magical, even if it's a knockoff brand. So seriously, okay, I'm not even really done with this, but just to show you the difference between what's done and what's not done. So much better, right? So anyway, I did a little bit of a test on the corner here earlier, but seriously, all you have to do is just keep going until you get the desired result. It's really, really hard to clean. As I said, I tried one of those big dish brushes before, and it did nothing to get in between and clean it. But so that's kind of the difference just from scrubbing it a little bit. It's gonna take me a little bit longer, but here it is, how to clean your white sneakers in an easy way.